Right, Samira. I called this meeting to announce the decision of the IT department. This year we have become part of an international group, and we are part of a unit that must integrate its information system to pilot its activities. At the same time, now we must consider the economies of scale and the productivity of the group. Therefore, strategic decisions are at the same time local and global. This is why we decided to transfer all our accounting into the group IT system by the end of the year.
But wait, this is unbelievable. It took us 5 years to create our own software. Precisely because no off-the-shelf product can manage our activities.
Well, the management's decision is due to...
And we just renewed our supplier's contract for 2 years. Do they know about this? At least do they know what we do? How could they make this decision without consulting us? I knew they were unsure which to choose, and I had prepared a file especially for that. You know that. We worked on it together.
The IT department has studied the various options and specifically our software.
Listen, Fabrice, maybe if I made another presentation. If we change now, we'll be tied for the rest of the year and we can't afford it.
This decision has been made by headquarters and the CIO office. It's signed. Now it's time to implement it.
It took us 5 years to create this program. I just don't know what to say. What's the point of giving everything to a company that doesn't give a damn what we think? In any case, they do whatever they want. Well, I suppose they won't need me anymore.
No, not really.
I don't understand.
It's precisely because you did such a great job on our software that the IT department expects your help in the transition.
It's not the same job. For 5 years, I led developers and I wrote documentation to incorporate user requirements. This is the opposite. The software is ready and users must adapt to it. I'm not a trainer.
And yet this is the role that we are proposing.
All right, I know. All day in the computer room to repeat F5, F3, Enter, Escape. If that's what it is, I resign.
It's not the right time. We wanted to integrate you with the project team and put you in charge of all training on this new tool.
All training?
Yes.
But why me?
Because you know the user's requirements, and when you will know the group software, you will be able to put the two together.
And who will do the actual training?
You'll have to decide that. You'll be in charge of that task.
Is there a budget for this?
Unlimited. Almost. Obviously, it's a priority for top management. You have 6 months to manage the transition.
6 months? But it's going to be a bloodbath.
It's a challenge. Of course, you won't be alone. If you pull it off, there will be a management position for you in the group. I'm the one who put you forward. You know how to create user documentation. This time you will make recommendations on training, user support and transition management.
Well, then we'll have to set up indicators to ensure that everyone has transitioned. I know of a company where things went wrong precisely because the transition was not monitored. And most of all, we'll have to set up some sort of internal communication on the procedure and motivate users. Otherwise, we'll get into trouble. I've seen it happen before I came here.
Okay, we'll look at that tomorrow morning in the first meeting of the project team.
Who's the team?
You will see. Tomorrow make a list of the actions we will need to take for training.
Excellent.